Have you seen Cricut's Premium Vinyl Permanent Glossy that comes in this packaging? I know that I see this comment all over the internet that it's so hard to open this up. You have to cut it, you have to pull it out, you're ruining vinyl. Well, let me show you a pro tip on how to remove this. You can see that it looks like it's wet or even damaged in the packaging, but it's actually completely okay. It's just the plastic sticking to the plastic, and if you tried to pull this out right now, it would be almost impossible to get it out. You would probably damage, wrinkle, or ruin your vinyl. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your fingers and you're gonna place them inside the tube, and kind of like you used to do with blueprints or old maps in school, you can twist and twist and twist until the roll is tight enough and it just releases right out of the packaging. And you can see that there is no damage, no wrinkles, no cracks. It's perfectly good. You can use it and then even store your scraps back in this packaging by just placing it inside. So that is a little tip that I've been wanting to share for a while because I absolutely love this vinyl and I don't want you to ruin it when you're opening up the package. So there you go.